Is your Word, Excel, PowerPoint automatically resetting settings on exit? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If Word, Excel and PowerPoint automatically reset settings on exit in Windows, here is how you can fix the issue. No matter whether you are using Microsoft 365, Office 2024 or any other version, you can follow this guide to fix the problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Check the folder permissions. It is the very first thing you must do. All those Microsoft 365 apps use a specific folder to store the default template. If your user account does not have permission to access that specific folder, you won't be able to save changes. Head to this location. Then right-click on the Templates folder and select Properties. Then go to the Security tab. Select the user account and check if it has full control or not. If not, click the Edit button and obtain full control. Method 2. Check registry file permission. When you install Microsoft 365, it registers it in the registry editor. No matter what you change in the Microsoft 365 apps, all of them get saved here. If your user account does not have the permission to access it, it could cause the aforementioned error. Open the registry editor on your computer and navigate to this path. Right-click on the key, then select Permissions. In the Permissions box, highlight your administrator account under its Sole Security tab and then check the box under Full Control, then Allow. Click Apply, then OK. You can also go through this detailed guide to check the registry file permission and obtain full access to it. Method 3. Check if default template is set to Read Only. First, open the File Explorer and navigate to this path. Here you can find a file named normal.m, book.xltx, sheet.xltx, officetheme.thmx. Right-click on each of them and choose to open their properties. Then check if the read-only option is enabled or not. If yes, remove the corresponding checkbox and click the OK button. However, if you can't uncheck the read-only option, go through these solutions. Method 4. Set the correct personal template file. Word, Excel, PowerPoint automatically reset settings on exit. To set the correct personal template file, follow these steps. First, open Word, Excel or PowerPoint and click on File, then Options. Then switch to the Save tab and head to the default personal templates location. Then enter the correct location and click the OK button. Method 5. Troubleshoot Word, Excel, PowerPoint in safe mode. At times, this problem may arise due to some internal glitch or bug. If so, you can check and verify it by running these Microsoft 365 apps in safe mode. To run Word, Excel and PowerPoint in safe mode, follow these steps. First, press Win+R to open the Run prompt. Then enter these commands. If the same problem does not appear in safe mode, it is suggested to disable all the add-ins. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.